With one exception, these dreams always appear in the quiet hours of the night. In them I remain aware, lucid. Is that what they are? Lucid dreams.
Oh, son of a...
I've had them ever since the incident, but that night, back on the island outside my apartment, I was awake. I must have been. Or was it a trick of the mind, a mirage in the twilight of consciousness? What if it didn't happen back then at all, but instead right now, as I'm writing this? Winston Green, December 22nd, 1960.
No, wait! God.
Breaking news. Early this morning, police were called to the scene of what appears to be a murder. A man was found shot dead in a car on the parking lot outside Super Convenient Mall. The victim, a middle-aged man of Middle Eastern descent, was found by Mrs. Langby, an elderly resident walking her dog. Mrs. Langby, a lifetime resident of Shellington Falls, said, "Sparky and I are both traumatized by this. What is the world coming to? This used to be such a peaceful town." To be fair, this is the first murder this town has seen in over 10 years. Expect to read more about it in this morning's newspaper.
A man of Middle Eastern descent seems to have been shot at point-blank range by a small-caliber firearm. Wait a second. Who carried a badge for an as-of-yet undisclosed government agency? Oh, it can't be. No, shit. Shit. Okay, calm down. When did I last have my journal? I know I didn't misplace it or lose it. Never have. Too valuable. Too private. Armand. He knew about the journal from when we worked together. He asked if there was any copies. Whoever murdered him must have it. Was it the motive, though? Only Donovan and the AEC would have had reason to be interested in it. Last night's dream, so vivid. As if it happened. What the hell is going on? Okay, I need to bring the folder to Harold and tell him everything. He's the only one I got left.
Damn.
Oops, easy money.
Nuts. Fellow coworkers, if you read this, I'm back tomorrow. I have a few things I need to take care of. Bertha, Donovan, and Johnny should keep you up to speed. In the meantime, oh god damn it.
This place is worse than a kindergarten. Trash bin overflowing, papers everywhere, dress code all over the place. You, young lady, button up your blouse. This isn't a brothel. Have some dignity for heaven's sake. And you, sir, is that supposed to look like a work environment? You still live with your mother, or what?
Hey, I'm working here, you old lizard. Excuse me, miss. No, not you. I was, hello? Miss? Oh, for Christ's sake!
You're a monster.
Grow a spine, will you? This place is a zoo. Tramps and bums, all of them. Swear, I'll have an aneurysm before the day is done. Speaking of bums, where do you think you're going? You and I are going to have a field day today, Mr. Green. Prepare for some. Well. It seems you have misplaced your journal, Mr. Green. Should we call the police and have it reported missing? Perhaps if you describe its contents to them, they would be more than willing to help you find it. I suspect you aren't any less depraved and loose than the rest of these imbeciles here, after all. See you outside in 5. Snap to it.
Got another delivery for me?
Now the sad truth is, ladies and gentlemen, that we will probably never know the truth about what really happened at We Deliver that day. Was it malicious sabotage or a regretful accident? Who can say? In Mrs. Rover's pocket planner, under the relevant date, we read
3:15. Reprimand Mr. Green lack of enthusiasm. 3:20. Quality inspection of bomb shelter interior.
Mrs. Rover has admitted that she cannot be sure that Mr. Green was present. And for sure, it would seem entirely possible that the door unfortunately and accidentally jammed while Mrs. Rover was carrying out the inspection.
Excuse me. I'm here to pick up the bomb shelter I ordered.
Oh, of course, madam. I'd be happy to help you, just as I've been instructed to do. Just have a seat in the car there. I'll be with you as soon as I've loaded the cargo.
Oh, goodness gracious, what is happening?
Oh, gosh! It seems our cargo has come loose. What a completely unforeseeable accident. Don't worry, madam. At We Deliver, we pride ourselves on completing every delivery. I'll just gently guide your bomb shelter to your home.
I suppose it seems silly to some, an old lady like me buying a bomb shelter. But I get so frightened thinking of what would happen if the bombs were to fall. It wouldn't be so bad if it was just myself I was thinking about. But when I think about my dear family...
Damn!
It seems like the helpers are not finished with the pit for the shelter yet. Bring it to my second house instead, the pavilion. It's a bit more crowded, but it will have to do.
Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, yikes.
This is a brand new design. It will protect against anything.
Bingo.
The perfect bomb shelter for the typical family, the salesman said. I do worry. Will there be enough room for all of us, you think? There's Theodore and Balthazar and Monique, and I mustn't forget Alistair. Do you think that Mr. Hammond could be persuaded to give up his space?
I'm sure your husband would give up his space for one of your children, Mrs. Hammond.
Oh, do you think so? That is so good to hear. I wouldn't call them children, of course. Monique is quite old for a poodle. I do so hope Mr. Hammond sees things your way. I will offer to prepare a space for him in the garden shed.
Just a scratch.
The helpers should be reprimanded for a bad job here. Take it to the manor instead. It's the least they can do for all this inconvenience.
That's just a scratch. Hey, watch it. Just a scratch.
There we are. I dare say I'll sleep easier now. Oh my goodness, who is this?
Mrs. Rover, what are you doing here?
What is happening? Is this? What is this? This is not right. My dentures. Oh, my glasses. Oh.
Come, let me drive you back to the office.
What was that? No, never. I'm not setting my foot in a car ever again. I'm staying here. Please, Mother Earth, hold me.
I'm rich. Payday.
Oh, hey Winston. Have you seen Miss Rover? She mentioned she was riding with you today. I was supposed to drive her home.
She felt a bit sick.
Oh, so she went home then. Did you give her a ride?
In a manner of speaking. God damn it, Harold, where are you? I should try calling him from the office phone. Hell's going on with him?
You wanted to speak to me, Don?
I have something you need to see.
This looks...
like the scribbles of a madman. Yeah, sure. But that's not why I'm showing you this. Keep going.
Who's Winston Booker?
Exactly. Look familiar to you?
How? I mean... Does Harry know?
No, and we'll keep it that way. You know, I trusted Winston. But I guess you never truly can know a person, right?
Don, does he know you have this?
I don't know, Allie. Probably, or he'll figure it out soon enough.
What are you... We're calling the police, right? I mean, right?
Not just yet. I have something I need to find out first.
What do you mean? He's a fugitive. Under a false name, no less. What is there to figure out?
Need you to trust me on this. Call Florian and set up a meeting, but for Christ's sakes, don't tell him about the journal just yet.
I'm not your secretary.
You're right. Look, I'm asking for your help here.
Fine.
What?
I had this weird run-in with Winston. First I thought it was just... Never mind. He told me he drove her home, but when I called her, she didn't answer. Did she know about this? I mean, what if she...
Drove who home?
Bertha!
Oh, her. Sure, the old witch is fine. Probably just took her broomstick for a spin somewhere.
Jesus, Don! I hardly recognize you anymore.
Hey, let's just call Florian first. Please? I'm pretty sure he's not resorted to murder. Although he'd probably do us all a favor in that one regard.
Hello? Bertha! Thank God! Are you alright?
It won't stop spinning! Oh, God! Oh, make it stop! Oh, make it stop!
What? Slow down, you're not making sense.
Oh, you! Jeff! I lost my goddamn dentures! He put me in the bomb shelter!
He what?
Let us ponder a quintessential predicament of civilized society. Where does one draw the line between justice and oppression? Haven't we all, in our daily toils, faced the scourge of workplace tyrants and unbearable peers? It would take a bold soul among us to deny having harbored dark desires. Yet, for most, these thoughts remain just that. Mere thoughts. However, when a man, once a beacon of promise, indulges in retribution, he stands on the precipice of becoming a significant threat to society.